Hi guys, have you ever had a cold or have you ever experienced coronavirus before, or any, or maybe anything related to cold? Okay, so let's make this drink that can suppress cold. So the first ingredient is lemon, garlic, ginger and honey. Then you put your water, you squeeze in you first remove your seeds and then you squeeze in the water. The importance of this is, if you don't do like this, all the lemon might not dissolve well in the water, so this is a must. And as I'm doing this video, guys, I already have a cold, so I was also making myself some medicine. So you grate your ginger and garlic and place them in that water, okay? And if you don't have like the ginger root or the garlic itself, you can just substitute that to ginger and garlic powder. After they've boiled, just sieve that, okay? And the importance of sieving is just to avoid the irritating particles. And then you just add in your honey. By the way, guys, the honey is not a must. You can decide to just take it as it is. And remember, I have a cold and I'm making myself also medicine. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.